So this is just how I sharpen. I'm not sure if this is correct or not, but this is just how I do it. There are many ways that people sharpen their tools, but this is the way that works for me. The more practice you get, the more you'll get a feel for it. So what you're feeling for is friction. There's a certain feel that you'll feel, and then, yeah, it's feeling better. So take your time with this. The more you practice it, the faster the process is, but it does take a little bit of patience. Just pretend that you're the Karate Kid or something, you know what I mean? There you go. And make sure that the pressure is only going in one direction. So I'm doing pressure, no pressure, pressure, no pressure, pressure, no pressure, right? And then you do the same thing on the opposite side. Feel it. And then if you have a cloth, it's good to just wipe the excess as well. Stay tuned for more videos. Feel free to subscribe if you feel also subscribe. And if you're looking to volunteer anywhere and learn more about permaculture practices, I highly recommend Terra Frutis. It is a wonderful place to learn, so many talented people, and a great community. So look into it. I will put the link down below. Thank you so much for joining me today, and enjoy. What are you guys thankful for today?